Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very active day today. That's probably the best way to put it. Not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Price was all over the place. And I don't know if there's some sort of algorithm that was glitching on it today or what, but some of these price movements, they were just instantaneous, and it was a crazy day. But now that all the dust is settled, let's map out areas of support and resistance. And really the first key level of support going forward is going to be right here at right around $18.50. $18.50 I would consider pretty important for the very simple reason. I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if the price were to come down to $18.50 and then just continue on down, at that point in time, from a very literal perspective, that would actually be putting the price right back inside of this range that it has just broken out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So to me, that is, kind of primary example one, just using some basic logic that, well, yeah, if a price movement is genuinely strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That's a contradiction. But if the price does come down here, but in this situation behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards, well, at least at this point in time, now all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows right there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, now you got yourself some stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. Now, am I saying 1850 is like some sort of do or die level? I'm not going to go that far, but I'm just saying as far as starting to show signs of progress, 1850 would definitely be that. In the event, though, 1850 doesn't quite hold up, the next key level of support would be down there right around the $18 mark. Now, on the flip side of things, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, from the overarching point of view, it's all about that pink line right there, which on my chart is denoting the famous 200 period moving average. But more so, even before you really focus on that line, there seems to be a little bit of a resistance trend line right there. So if the price can get the resistance trend line break right there, get the breakout, then with that breakout, the next key overarching level, like I said, you'd want to keep an eye on would be that 200 period moving average. But all in all, a good day. The price is now in the position to start to make some upwards progress. So let's see if it can stay up above 1850 or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.